Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wycliffe here, and for those of you who are new here, this is Tech Hood 254. It's all about tech, digital entrepreneurship, and innovation. So today we're going to be talking about how you can make money in Kenya as an online writer. But before I get deep into that, if you're new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified every single time that we post, because we're now posting more frequently. And click on subscribe, and remember to hit the bell icon just so that you get the notifications whenever we post a new video. Now, before I get into talking about why I'm creating this video, let me just mention something really quickly. There is another channel on YouTube calling itself 254 Tech Hood 254. I just want to let you guys know that this channel is the original Tech Hood 254, and we discovered that they had created, or they uploaded one of our videos on their channel, and they even took our, the description for our channel. And yeah, so if you find another Tech Hood 254 on YouTube, just know that it's not the original one. This is the original Tech Hood 254. Now back to why we created this video. I hope you're excited. If you haven't heard about making money online, or how you could do this as if you haven't heard about making money online, or how you could do it through various means, this is one of the videos that should help you. Okay, so there are countless videos on YouTube that I have come across that talk about how to make money online. And I know countless people. I have been in various groups where people talk about where people give out jobs and things like that. But one of the reasons why we created this channel was because there's very little information, and people have a difficult time. Understanding how to work online, how to make money online with all of these things. Now, personally, I have knowledge of people who make up to $2,500 a week, or in 2 weeks rather, right in this country, and they will not tell you how they're doing it. There are people who make even $500 in a week using just one website, and they won't tell you how that happens, right? So this channel was created partly to talk about how you can to teach people, because this is something that I've done for most of my adult life. Like when I graduated from college, which is like 2016, up to now, I have been working online. And so I and my partner have been working online. Her name's Rita. And I know exactly what I'm talking about when I tell you, you can make good income online. You can pay your bills, you can have fun. There are people who drive vehicles. There are people who've invested and done so many things simply by, working online. And so today I'm talking about 3 things that you could do as an online writer. And the first one is working for a content mill. Now, what is a content mill? Content mills are basically, it acts as the middleman between you, the writer, and the person that needs the content, or the company that needs the content. So for example, if you had a company that deals with things like shoes, for instance. Let's say you have a company making shoes, and whatever type of shoe. And so you want to have content about your company so that people can find you when they search on Google about, anything related to shoes. So the content mill would link you as the writer, or the person who owns the business, with a writer. So basically what you do is you would write content as requested by the person who needs the content. There's usually a lot of instructions, or a couple of instructions that you're given. They might tell you to, write about, give a review of the shoe, or talk about the benefits, or talk about things like that. It's really not difficult, but that's basically that's where I would advise any newbie to start working for a content mill, if you're not working for someone who owns an account. So there are several content mills, and I'm not going to mention all of them in this vlog. I might put links to them in the description, And you can let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to, mention some of those for you if you don't know which ones they are. Now, the second thing you could do to make money online as in Kenya as a writer is having a blog. Now, this is different from, or let me hold that until the last one. Okay, so let's go to the second one. Let me say working directly with a client. Now, normally people in this country or in Kenya, normally they start working for someone who has an account. Then they would this is usually the progression. Then you get your own account, and as you learn, as you grow, as your skills are sharper, you get your own account and you're working on there, and you accept writers to help you out and things like that, depending on the regulations or what the account allows you to do. And so the next thing is having a direct client. Okay, so this here is not, you don't necessarily have an account, but you find clients that give you the work to do, like to work for them. Now, right here is where it gets a little bit complicated if you are a newbie and you're trying to jump into this stage. This is where you make the most money, guys. This is where people will pay you even up to $100 to write a single article, even $50 for a single article, and more, depending on your level of skill. Okay, so normally when people are starting out, they get jobs that range from between $5, $10, and it depends on the number of words that you're writing, for the complexity of the task and all that type of stuff. So basically, essentially, how do you find the clients is the most difficult part of all of this. Luckily, you don't have to worry much about finding clients because there's a lot of information online on how to do that. But my partner and I are also creating a tutorial where we're going to be teaching you how you can find clients online, to clients that you can do business with over a long period of time. Because a lot of these people, they have a website and they don't have time. Okay, so they have a website, but they don't have time to post on the website or on the blog. So guys, kindly excuse me if you hear any external noise. There is kids are home from school, and yeah, the apartment where I live in is a little bit noisy. So most people struggle with how to find customers or how to find clients that they can, write blogs for, blog posts for. And I highly advise you, this is a skill that you need. Blogging is a little bit different from article writing, but it is articles that go on blogs. Now, it's going to depend on the type of person that you're working for. However, I highly recommend that you get to a point where you can do this if you are looking to start work as a freelance writer or a freelancer rather in Kenya. Blogging for a direct client is gold. You can make a lot of money doing this, and it's really not that hard. There are millions of websites out there that need content on a weekly basis, and people want content on their websites consistently. Why? Because the more websites that are out there, the more competitive it is for people to find someone's website. So they want consistent content on their website, and that means more work for you. So if you can get to learning the skill of how to blog and find direct clients that you can blog for, in this case you're not blogging for yourself but for direct clients, you are in a really good place as somewhere where you can start making money online in Kenya. Now, the third one is blogging, but now you're not blogging for a direct client. Normally, the direct clients can give you different types of jobs, but this time around, in the third option, you're starting a blog, but for yourself. Now, you have to learn how to monetize this blog, because you can't just create a WordPress blog or whichever platform you will decide to use and expect money to flow in. It doesn't work like that. There are various ways that you can use to monetize your blog. And I have talked a little bit about those in a previous video that I did when I was just starting out on YouTube. And one of the ways that you can monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing. You can monetize your blog through AdSense. However, if you're new, you will literally have to wait for a really long time. To do that, you can monetize your blog by selling a digital course. And there are various other ways that we're going to be including in the tutorial that we're making for you. So if this sounds to you like something you would be interested in, let us know in the comment section. Okay, we're gonna leave I'll also leave the email to our channel in the comments, in the description rather, where you can get in touch with us and let us know what you want us to talk about or what you would want us to include in the tutorial, so that we are able to serve you as much as possible. And this is something that we're really doing because, you know, we have been able to make a living working online, and currently we're working on building a company, right? We're working on creating a tech startup with my partner, and a lot of the money that we've been able to save up has come from working online. So anybody can do this. When we started out, no, none of us had the, you know, of course we knew how to write. We'd been writing in school. Some we knew some English rather, and but we didn't know how to work online or anything like that. It's just something that we grew into. So you can get trained, you can learn, anybody can do it. It's possible. Okay, so we're doing this to be of service to people because a lot of people are complaining out there that there are no jobs. And there are jobs, it's just that people are looking in the wrong places. Today, we're living in the digital era, and people should not really be expecting the government to be doing all the work, trying to find work for you, okay? And even Ajira, I mean, it's a good concept, it's a good initiative, but they can't find all the things for you. They can help you in one or two ways, but they can't really help you. You can best learn from people that have done this and people who have the heart to help you without any ulterior motives, okay? So yeah, the third one is starting your own blog. And this requires you to have a website. And so we will be showing you in the tutorial how to do that step by step from start all the way to finish. You'll be looking right over my shoulder as I do it in a video, and it's really easy. I have learned how to create websites on my own, and it's not that hard, and it's not expensive either. It's something that you can do even on your mobile phone that you're watching me on right now. So guys, if you were new here and you liked this video, please consider sharing it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more coming for you. I appreciate all of you who have already subscribed, and I appreciate those who've sent messages. We have many emails that we are getting back to you on, and so just bear with us. If I haven't gotten back to you yet, I'll definitely do it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and let us know about any future videos that you want us to post about, okay? Thanks, see ya.